encourage each and every one of you to actively engage in discussions, share your experiences, and forge partnerships that will shape the future of healthcare in Kenya and beyond. Through continuous learning, collaboration, and innovation, we can ensure that every individual receives the best possible care.
I find this as a potential market because the consumption for dialysis consumables is pretty high over here. So I see a scope over here.
This is my third consecutive exhibition here in the Medexpo Center. Kenya have much potential, and I am really very lucky to have good clients here in the Kenya.
Kenya have a big opportunity now. The good thing, I believe there is a good network here in Kenya.
Kenyan market, of course, is a very big one. Yeah? Kenya is one of the biggest economies in East Africa, so it's very interesting for us. This is one of the reasons that we are here. About this exhibition, we have had good talks here. We have had many interesting leads. So for us, it's a success.
I'd like to express my gratitude to the organizers for their dedication in bringing this trade fair to fruition.